Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Banks and Brokerages Brief. Today is Thursday, February 28th. Credit Mutuel has emerged as a front-runner to buy more than half of the HSBC operations in France. The French Mutual Bank's Credit Industrial and Commercial Unit has become the front-runner to purchase 7 of HSBC's 11 regional banks in France, according to Forbes. CIC is reportedly offering between 1.8 billion and 2 billion euros, which is more than the offers being made by other French banks. CIC's reported bid still seems well above the value of HSBC's original purchase price. Moving to banks and brokerages headlines in Asia, the International Finance Corporation reportedly signed a $50 million housing finance deal with the Saigon Thuong Tin Commercial Joint Stock Bank. The loan will be funded through the first 10-year cross-currency swap transaction in the country as part of a long-term partnership between the two organizations, according to VNeconomy.com. IFC is optimistic about the development of Vietnam's financial sector, said Thuong, IFC country manager for Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam. Shifting to banking briefs in the United States, Citigroup's wealth management intends to purchase the overlay and implementation of technology of Legg Mason's private portfolio group. Part of that expansion will include unified managed accounts. These accounts can customize and consolidate for individual clients a combination of mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, according to the Financial News. This also includes asset classes such as bonds and equities. Both companies declined to disclose the terms of a deal, which is expected to close by April. And in the banks and brokerages briefs in Europe, the German banks IKB and Sachsen LB are under investigation by the European Commission for aid they may have received from the state. These loans allegedly occurred during the impact of the U.S. subprime mortgage markets crisis. The EU says that the State Development Bank KfW provided a risk shield of about 9 billion euros to IKB last year, according to EUbusiness.com. The Commission also reported that a group of regional banks granted liquidity assistance of about 17 billion euros to Sachsen LB. The Commission, the European Union's top competition regulator, reported that without these and several subsequent measures, the banks would not have been able to continue their business. That rounds out this Banks and Brokerages Brief. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Banks and Brokerages section and read the latest developments.